Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Bosch Universal Plus mixer, a versatile kitchen companion that promises to elevate your baking and cooking game. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bosch Universal Plus mixer? This is a 500-watt stand mixer that boasts a generous 6.5 quart capacity, making it perfect for both small and large batches of dough, batter, and more. This mixer is designed to handle a variety of tasks, from whipping egg whites to kneading heavy bread dough, all while being user-friendly and efficient. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this mixer. First up is the lightweight, BPA-free plastic bowl. It's not only spacious but also comes with an easy grip handle, making it simple to lift and pour. One of the best things about this bowl is its removable drive shaft, which makes cleaning a breeze, and it's dishwasher safe too, for those busy days when you just want to get everything cleaned up quickly. The Bosch Universal Plus mixer is equipped with dual beaters that deliver a triple whipping action. This means you can whip as little as one egg white or tackle larger tasks like mashing up to 10 pounds of cooked potatoes or shredding cooked chicken, perfect for meal prepping or family gatherings. Another impressive feature is the powerful belt-driven transmission. This ensures that you have enough torque for almost any recipe you throw at it. Want to bake some whole grain bread? No problem. This mixer can knead dough for up to 14 loaves, which is around 15 pounds of dough in one go. Or if cookies are more your thing, it can mix up to 34 dozen cookies in a single batch. Talk about efficiency. Included in the bundle are the Bosch mixer itself, wire whips with a plastic whip drive, a dough hook, a bowl, a lid, and a splash ring. Additionally, it comes with a Nutri-Mill plastic dough hook extender, which is a great bonus for those who need a little extra capacity when mixing larger quantities. One of the things I love about the Bosch Universal Plus mixer is its versatility. It's not just a stand mixer, it can be transformed into a complete kitchen machine with a variety of optional attachments and accessories, which are sold separately. If you enjoy cooking or baking, these attachments can take your culinary skills to the next level. You can add a slicer shredder, cookie and cake paddles, a meat grinder, a citrus juicer, and even a pasta maker to expand your capabilities in the kitchen. So, who is this mixer suitable for? Whether you're a passionate home baker, a busy parent preparing meals for your family, or simply someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, the Bosch Universal Plus mixer is a fantastic addition to your arsenal. Its ability to handle both small and large tasks makes it ideal for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process while achieving great results. Practical use cases for this mixer are endless. You can whip up fluffy meringues for your favorite dessert, knead dough for homemade pizza night, or even mix batter for a cake to celebrate that special occasion. The possibilities are truly limitless. In conclusion, the Bosch Universal Plus mixer is a powerful, efficient, and versatile stand mixer that can handle all your cooking and baking needs. With its large capacity, impressive features, and the option to expand with additional attachments, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.